Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best large hand fan is probably one of the most essential items for beating the heat, especially during those sweltering summer months or in stuffy indoor environments. This isn't just any ordinary fan, it's a powerful, portable solution designed to provide immediate and significant cooling relief, making it an indispensable tool for anyone seeking comfort and a respite from oppressive temperatures. Whether you're attending an outdoor event, working in a non-air-conditioned space, or simply want to create a more comfortable atmosphere at home, a high-quality large hand fan offers a practical and effective way to stay cool and refreshed. Number 5. PlayHot N607 Turbo Fan. Experience an unparalleled cooling sensation with our advanced handheld turbo fan. Its powerful motor and 6-blade design deliver exceptional airflow, perfect for beating the heat on the go. Tailor your comfort with 5 adjustable wind speed settings. Whether you need a gentle breeze or a powerful gust, this fan adapts to your needs in any situation. Enjoy extended use with its long-lasting battery, designed for your outdoor adventures. Plus, its USB-C compatibility ensures easy charging from laptops, power banks, and more. Say goodbye to bulky fans. This ultra-small, lightweight design folds easily into your pocket or bag for ultimate portability. It even comes with a lanyard to keep it secure. This stylish and functional fan is ideal for everyone, making it a perfect summer gift. Take it to work, on trips, or to outdoor events for reliable cooling wherever you are. What we like? Experience personalized comfort with 5 adjustable wind speeds. This fan offers up to 12 hours of cooling on a single charge, perfect for long outdoor adventures. If you're looking for a powerful and long-lasting cooling solution for travel or beach days, this is the one for you. What people say. The fan is very powerful and cools the room quickly. It has multiple speed settings, which is convenient. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my decor. Number 4. SWEETFULL Handheld Portable Fan. Introducing the SWEETFULL Handheld Portable Fan, your perfect companion for staying cool wherever you are. This compact fan offers powerful airflow to beat the heat. Enjoy up to 20 hours of continuous cooling with its large 5000 mAh rechargeable battery. It operates at an ultra-quiet noise level, ensuring a peaceful experience. Easily monitor your settings with the clear LED display, showing real-time gear and battery status. Choose from 6 adjustable wind speeds to customize your comfort. Designed for ultimate portability, it's lightweight, foldable, and can be held, placed on a table, or hung around your neck. Take it anywhere with ease. This innovative fan also features a backup power function, allowing you to charge your essential devices in emergencies. It's the ultimate summer essential. Keeping it clean is simple thanks to its detachable front cover, ensuring the blades are always easy to access and maintain. What we like? Stay informed with the LED display showing real-time gear and battery status. This fan doubles as a power bank for emergency device charging. If you need a reliable fan with smart features and the added convenience of backup power for your phone, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The fan is very powerful and cools the room quickly. It has multiple speed settings that allow for customized airflow. The oscillating feature distributes air evenly throughout the space. Number 3. Diveblues Portable Handheld Turbo Fan. Experience ultra-powerful wind and rapid cooling with this innovative handheld fan. Its advanced technology delivers a wind speed 3 times stronger than typical fans, ensuring you stay refreshed wherever you go. This fan is incredibly lightweight and portable, easily fitting into your bag. It offers 3 versatile modes: handheld, neck-worn, or desk fan, making it ideal for travel, outdoor adventures, and daily use. With 5 adjustable speed settings, you can easily customize your cooling experience. Choose from a gentle breeze to a strong gust with just one button, optimizing your comfort and energy usage. Enjoy up to 12 hours of continuous cooling thanks to its powerful 4000 mAh battery. The convenient LED display shows both wind speed and remaining battery life, and it's easily rechargeable via USB. This stylish and practical fan is the perfect gift for anyone. It's ideal for work, study, travel, or outdoor activities, ensuring everyone stays cool and comfortable throughout the summer. What we like? Enjoy rapid cooling with its ultra-powerful wind, 3 times stronger than regular fans. It provides up to 12 hours of continuous cooling. If you prioritize maximum cooling power and versatility for handheld, neck, or desktop use during outdoor activities, this fan is ideal. What people say. The fan is powerful and has multiple speed settings. It's very quiet even on the highest setting. The oscillation feature covers a wide area. Number 2. Aecooly Slim Portable Fan. Experience ultimate portability with its remarkably slim profile and lightweight build. This fan fits effortlessly into your hand, bag, or pocket, combining practicality with modern aesthetics. Enjoy up to 24 hours of uninterrupted cooling on a single charge. It's ideal for extended outdoor activities or daily use, ensuring you stay refreshed all day long. Customize your cooling experience with 3 speed options, from a gentle breeze to a powerful gust. It's perfectly tailored to meet your comfort needs. Transition seamlessly between handheld portability and a stable desktop mode. Its foldable design adapts to any setting, making it perfect for work, travel, or outdoor relaxation. Combining premium design and exceptional functionality, this fan makes a stylish and practical gift for any occasion. It's a thoughtful way to bring comfort and convenience to your loved ones. Featuring a large fan surface and optimized blade design, it delivers a powerful yet evenly distributed breeze. This ensures comfort over a wide area. What we like. This fan boasts a remarkably slim and elegant design for ultimate portability. Enjoy an impressive 24 hours of uninterrupted cooling on a single charge. If you value a stylish, lightweight fan that fits easily into your bag and provides all-day cooling, this is a perfect companion. What people say. The fan has 3 speed settings and a powerful motor that moves a lot of air. It is very quiet on the low setting, which is great for sleeping. The oscillating feature is smooth and covers a wide area. Number 1. Maitys 2-packs large folding hand fans, black. Experience the satisfyingly loud and crisp clap with just a flick of the wrist. It's perfect for performances, events, or simply making a statement. Enjoy twice the airflow of a standard fan with this oversized design. Its durable construction ensures powerful, instant cooling relief whenever you need it. This fan opens and closes smoothly without any sticking. You can rely on it to perform flawlessly, ensuring you never miss a beat. Each set comes with storage pouches to keep your fans protected and ready for travel. Easily toss them in a bag for festivals or daily use. More than just a cooling tool, this fan adds a striking touch to any outfit. Its design embodies the aesthetic essence of Chinese craftsmanship. From pride parades and disco parties to weddings and church events, this fan is a versatile accessory. It complements a wide range of celebrations and gatherings. Combining traditional craftsmanship with modern functionality, this fan makes an elegant gift for any occasion. It's a thoughtful present for birthdays, holidays, and more. What we like. This oversized fan delivers twice the airflow of standard fans and produces a loud, crisp clap sound. It comes in a convenient 2-pack with pouches for easy storage. If you're involved in activities like line dancing, tai chi, or festivals and need a large, impactful fan that also makes a statement, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The fan is very powerful and keeps the room cool. It has multiple speed settings, which is convenient. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.